Hi, my name is Olivia and today we're starting a series of Christmas recipes that will be posted once a week here during December. And the first recipe in the series is this beautiful and colorful Italian Baccala Arracanato Christmas cod with Sage Gnocchi. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep the cod. So preheat the oven to 200 degrees with the fan. Place the cod fillets into an oiled roasting dish. Pat the cod surface dry with kitchen paper and then season with salt and pepper. Set aside. Step 2. Prep the toppings. Halve the cherry tomatoes. Peel and crush the garlic. Roughly chop the walnuts. Chop the fresh parsley and in a bowl combine the panko breadcrumbs, garlic, walnuts, chopped parsley, olives and capers with the raisins and pine nuts. Step 3. Bake the cod. So pour the breadcrumb mixture over the cod fillets. Top with the half cherry tomatoes and drizzle generously with olive oil. Bake in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until the cod is cooked through and the top is golden. If the dish starts to brown too quickly, cover loosely with a piece of foil. Step 4. Fry the gnocchi. So once almost ready to serve, heat a pan over medium-low heat with the butter and sage leaves. Once the butter has melted, add the gnocchi and cook them in the sage butter for 3 to 4 minutes until browned. Step 5. Serve. Serve the Baccala Arracanato with the Sage Gnocchi. So this is a perfect Christmas recipe, especially if you're entertaining this Christmas. Easy to prep in advance and fast to make. And look, a complete wowzers on the Christmas table. I really hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to see our weekly Christmas series, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. But for now, bon appétit!